If you want to connect Huawei FreeBuds Pro free with Huawei AI Life application, first you have to open the browser and be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next we have to tap on the search pool and we have to type Huawei AI Life. Let's open the official Huawei website. Tap on this red button, Install Now. Accept these permissions if you pops and then tap on Install button on the blue Install button. Tap to download via browser. We don't need to download this application, and here we have to tap to download anyway. So there was the app gallery from the Huawei. We don't need this app, we can get straight the Huawei AI Life application, and here you have to tap open and tap on the settings to enable installation from the unknown sources. Then tap on the install button when this notification pops. It will take around a few seconds and then we can tap open. In my case I have to go back and tap open. Let me just toggle off this annoying dark theme. So it will be right here. Yeah, there we go. Right now it looks better. Tap next, accept every permission that will pops on your screen. And now all you have to do is just to activate the pairing mode on the FreeBuds Pro free. So find this button, click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking white. Now you have to release and we can tap to try on the plus. It is right now scanning for the nearby devices. Yeah, we have to also turn on the Bluetooth. And right now the FreeBuds Pro free appears on the list, so click connect, accept the pairing. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected, and here we have to download some plugin, so let's click download. And after a few seconds the connection will be stable, and that's easy way to relink these two devices and the application. There we go. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Bye bye.